Hey there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy with 911 Studios, and tonight we are checking out some of the best knife sets on all of Amazon. You guys, this is the Cangshan S1 series. You can get this in the 23-piece set or the 17-piece set. Either is an amazing option. They are beautiful, beautiful knives that come in this beautiful wooden block as well, so you can display them as the piece of art that they really are. These are going to be the backbone of your kitchen. You guys, you are going to have a knife for every single occasion, whether you are deboning a chicken or peeling an apple. This set is going to have exactly what you need, and it's going to last you a lifetime. Not only is this, the manufacturer is going to give you a lifetime warranty against manufacturer defects. This is also just made of such high quality materials that you know this is going to last forever. It's made of high carbon German steel. It's tempered at exactly the right temperature to make them really, really hard. In fact, on the Rockwell Hardness Scale, these come in at about a 58. That's crazy. So these are super hard. They are super beautiful. The design is really modern. You're gonna have that contrast between the smooth handle and the sharp knife points. It's going to look beautiful. It's going to feel really balanced in your hand. It's going to be a knife that is useful, and it's also safe, beautiful, lasts forever. You guys are going to want this. These are also certified by the National Sanitation Foundation, so you know that you can buy with confidence to know that these are going to be safe, beautiful. You're gonna love them. My only tip for you guys is make sure, as with any high quality knife, do not put it in the dishwasher. You're gonna wanna hand wash these with soap and water. Be gentle and make sure that you dry them. And these are gonna last for you forever and ever and ever, and you're gonna love them. Go ahead and put them in your cart. You're gonna be so glad that you did.